If you want to know how I achieve this beautiful look using drugstore products, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to carve my eyebrows using the LA Colors brow pencil in the shade Espresso. And then I'm going to set my eyebrows using the Collection Cosmetics and brow gel in mid brown shade. I'm carving my eyebrows, cleaning the eyebrows. This is very important. Using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 40 Caramel suits my skin tone perfectly. Taking Makeup Revolution New Tools 3 palette, reloaded palette, taking the darker shade to just give my eye a depth, and then the lighter brown shade to buff the darker brown. Then I'm going to use a lighter concealer in the center and the inner corner, applying shimmer all over it. Taking the eyeliner and eyelashes from She Glam, they're very nice, my favorite. Now going to the face, I'm using e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, just pressing it in, and going in with the foundation from L'Oreal True Match Foundation 6.5D. Taking a concealer from e.l.f., which is in tan neutral. This has a yellow tint, so it perfectly color corrects my under eyes along with giving me good coverage. Coming to the blush, don't worry if you're using too much, because at the end of the day the blush always washes off. So I'm taking two liquid blushes, which is one is from MUA and the other is for She Glam. Taking a lighter concealer from e.l.f. again, that is in warm medium, and then contour stick is from e.l.f. as well. I forgot to record the part where I blended it. See how nice and highlighted look this concealer gives me. Absolutely gorgeous. My under eyes using the e.l.f. Hello Glow powder, which like I love because it gives you the right amount of brightness while setting your under eyes. Now I'm going to take a black shade from the same Neutral 3 palette and then lining my lower lash line and then buffing it out with a brown shade. Taking the blush and bronzer from Patricia Bright Makeup Revolution palette, setting my face up using the Makeup Revolution Base Fix Spray, and then highlighting using the Soap Highlighter palette from Makeup Revolution, and then lining my lips using Makeup Revolution lip liner in brown shade, and then filling it with Maybelline Super Stay Ink Vinyl lipstick in the shade Koi. And I'm all ready right in time for the golden hour. How do you like my look? How do you rate it? I absolutely loved doing it and I love the look. It will be a perfect party makeup look. What do you think?